The dangerous endangerment finding. In 2009, during the Obama administration, the EPA created the endangerment finding. This finding represents the basis of America's war on carbon dioxide and provides the legal foundation for shutting down the fossil fuel industry, which is being implemented by the Green New Deal. In essence, the Green New Deal is rooted in the endangerment finding. Incredibly, every conclusion generated by the endangerment finding fails the data test. This includes the projections for increasing heat waves, extreme weather, and human impacts. In each of the endangerment finding's many claims, it is easy to see that government data clearly contradicts each finding. Not surprisingly, all the extreme weather projections are based on over 30 years of failed IPCC climate models. This solid red line is the average of all failed models, where they all run too hot. This is the fantasy forecast. Below, the blue and green lines represent the weather balloon and satellite data. This is reality. Even more astonishing was the 2011 EPA Inspector General Report, which found that the EPA failed to follow two of their own laws. First, the EPA ignored its own peer review process. Second, the EPA failed to make public the scientific logic used to demonize CO2. This logic is still sealed and not publicly available. And yet, on Obama's first day in office, he pledged to run the most transparent administration in history. Unfortunately, that pledge didn't include the EPA, or maybe his EPA was actually being run by a different administration. So in the meantime, until the endangerment findings' fraudulent claims are exposed to the public, this scientific charade will continue to feed the Green New Deal's destruction of America's energy industry. Government data clearly shows CO2 is not a pollutant, and more is beneficial to life on Earth. Additionally, a warming Earth is more advantageous than a cooling Earth. There is no climate emergency.